Have you seen any dream in your life? When you sleep, that time you see dream. Dream does not come true. But what will happen if your dream comes true? Today we will read a story. The story is the dream. This story is about Vikas, who was a handsome and intelligent person. He was orphan and he used to work in the house of Dayanand. Dayanand was a merchant in Patliputra. Vikas was orphan, but he had a lot of dream in his life. He wanted to be rich. He used to build castles in the air, and he had a habit of speaking while sleeping. When he when one day Vikas was half asleep, that time he saw a dream, and in that dream he ordered Dayanand to praise his legs. Dayanand heard it. Dayanand could not bear this insult, and he woke him up. Dayanand insulted Vikas. Other servants were also present that very time, and Vikas was thrown out of the house. After this, Dayanand left that place. He wandered here and there and at last reached a strange place. There was a hermit sitting under a tree. He went to the hermit and bowed down with folded hands. He requested hermit to grant him boon so that his dream should come true. But the hermit at first refused to grant him this boon. He told Vikas, you should work hard if you want to be rich. But Vikas wanted a shortcut way to be rich, and again he requested the hermit to grant him the power that will make his dreams come true. At last, the hermit smiled and told him a mantra. The hermit said, you can use this mantra only 3 times when you dream, and after that, you chant this mantra, your dream will come true. That night, Vikas slept in a rest house. He had a dream. Dayanand has come to him and he is saying to marry his daughter. Dayanand had only one daughter named Shobha. Vikas woke up and he chanted the mantra. In the morning, Dayanand came to the rest house and he requested Vikas to marry his daughter. He told, if you accept this proposal, I shall be very happy. The first dream of Vikas was fulfilled. He married Shobha and started a very luxurious life. To see his comfort, the servants became jealous. Servants had to obey his order. A person who was a servant, now he has become the master, and the servant could not bear it. They did not like Vikas. Dayanand watched it and he told Vikas to start a new business to prove his quality. That night, Vikas saw a dream that he has started a business and become the richest man of that town. Vikas told Shobha about it, but Shobha said, "Dream is dream. The dream never comes true." That time Vikas informed Shobha about the mantra and the hermit and told about his marriage with her. It was possible due to mantra. After that, Dayanand chanted the mantra. He took some money and started a business. Within 2 years, he became the richest man of that town. His dream again came true. But when he became the richest man of that town, he had many competitors. Their competitors started a rumor that Dayanand sells very inferior goods. He is not paying the tax, and this is the cause he has become the richest man. He is cheating people and the king. The king of Patliputra heard these all things. He summoned Vikas. He told Vikas to appear before him, and Vikas was asked to pay taxes, otherwise he will be sent to jail. Now the situation was very difficult for Vikas. What to do? That night Vikas again saw a dream. He has become the king of Patliputra. He has punished all people who were spreading rumor. Vikas told Shobha about it. Shobha became very happy and she said, "Chant your mantra. You will be the king and I will be the queen. No one will speak against you." But that time Vikas became very silent and thoughtful. In the morning he went to the hermit again and he told, "Make your mantra powerless. I don't want to be rich without working." The hermit did so. After that, Vikas returned to Shobha and told him about this. He sold all his property. He paid the taxes. He, he had left only some amount with him. He took that amount and left the town and started a new life in another town. After that, he spent his life happily. Really, this story is about the dream. Everyone dreams, but Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has said, dream is what you see with your open eyes, not with closed eyes. And if you see any dream, you should work hard to fulfill your dream. But Vikas wanted to fulfill his dream without working, and this was the cause he faced a lot of problem in his life. So when you want to succeed in your life, you must dream, but you should work hard to fulfill your dream. Otherwise, it will create a problem in your life. Thank you. Have a nice day.